everybody.
Good morning, everybody.
It is the 27th of June. We've left Ireland and we're here in Edinburgh, Scotland.
Edinburgh, Scotland.
It's Edinburgh. We're here in Edinburgh.
Hey.
You know,
Yeah.
it's Edinburgh. We're gonna go find our hostel and we're gonna get breakfast and then we're gonna go on a walking tour, because what better way to explore a new city than get shown around by a local on a free walking tour. So that's the plan. We got to the hostel and look at the bloody stairs. Up 4 flights of stairs to get to Haystack.
We did one.
Taking a break and then back up.
So guys are with me, if I say just come in this little corner here, we're all coming no person that's standing here more than anyone else in history, I would argue. The way the world works right now is all thanks to this Scottish man. Now so most people in Scotland and England are on really good speaking terms, very friendly, have a lot of laughter about all this rivalry that used to have. It represents where a tax office once stood here in Edinburgh in front of the church. Now, when you went to this tax office, this is where you had to pick.
So we were just told that this university is where J.K. Rowling got her inspiration for Hogwarts, who wrote Harry Potter obviously, and when she closes her eyes, this university is what she imagines Hogwarts to look like, so check it out.
Sometimes I question why I do this. Here we go then, guys.
It's gonna be amazing.
Yeah, well, you might change your mind in a moment. Well, that was a false start. My love is like a red, red rose that's newly sprung in June. My love is like the melody that's sweetly played in tune. So fair art thou, my bonny lass, So deep in love am I, and I will love thee still, my dear, till all the seas can dry. Till all the seas can dry, my dear, and the rocks melt with the sun. And I will love thee still, my dear, while the sands o' life shall run. And fare thee weel, my only love, and fare thee weel a while, and I will come again, my love, though it were 10,000 mile. And there's your.
Sitting here yawning, I don't know about dinner.
Smile.
Hi guys, guess where we are? We're at a very famous cafe. It's called Deacon's House. I'm so happy. We just finished our 2-hour tour, walking tour, and it was so up a hill, downstairs, up again, and in the rain.
And was it worth it?
It was so worth it. Even though we hardly had a good sleep last night, I only slept for about 2.5 hours. Then we had to catch an early morning flight from Dublin. Then we got here and poor Kyra had to carry up both our luggages up 4 flights of stairs round.
Yeah.
Then I got a boo-boo.
Ouch.
But that's okay because I'm so happy to be in Scotland. I never thought I would make it here. So just dream big and everything will come true.
Aww.
Thank you.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Hello everybody. We are coming at you relaxing finally in our hostel room. We're staying at Haystack. We were able to check in at 3 p.m. Got the window open, so if you hear some traffic, that's why. I was gonna do a room tour, but it's literally just a room, like a very small basic room. I was having flashbacks to Reginald's Tower in Waterford, Ireland. I was like, am I back in the tower? Because the stairs were spiral, really narrow and steep, but we made it. I was sweating hard because I was carrying up both of our big bags. I'm okay with doing that, but it's just the stairs, you know? I just wish we had a lift. We really thoroughly enjoyed our walking tour. It was so informative, so sweet. It actually didn't go very far in terms of distance, but it was really long at 2 hours. It was a lot of standing. Even my feet were sore by the end of it. Masha was definitely down for the count. She's just resting right now. Here she is. She's given permission to show her resting. So we finished the walking tour. We had this beautiful lunch. Oh my gosh, this homemade soup and fresh sourdough bread with Irish butter. So good. And we had it at Deacon's House, which is actually a pretty well-known establishment here in Edinburgh. And then we walked back because honestly, we just got pouring rain. We had rain coming down on us constant. I had this raincoat. It started soaking its way through my raincoat. We finally were happy to be able to check in at 3 p.m. and I've been resting. We planned it to take the very early morning flight this morning so that we had most of the day here, because tomorrow we are literally leaving this hostel pretty early. We have to meet up with a tour. We're joining a 5-day tour with a local tour provider called Harry Coo. If you don't know, Harry Coo is the Scotland Highland cows and have long hair, and they're going to take us around the Highlands. So it actually lasts for 5 days. Most of our time here in Scotland is going to be on this Harry Coo tour, visiting the Highland area, so that's countryside, and then we have maybe just an evening in Edinburgh before we fly back to Canada. So these are the final days of our entire European trip. It has flown by so fast. I feel like we could have spent a little bit more time in Edinburgh. Both Masha and I love it here. We didn't really talk about Ireland, but I just want to say that I really enjoyed parts of Ireland, but I did not enjoy Dublin. I have to be honest with you. Dublin was not my favorite. The energy there is just very party, drinking. It's just not my vibe. And so I did not enjoy my stay in Dublin city center. Also questioning my safety there a little bit. I don't know how safe it is in the city center. Maybe Dublin is better if you stay outside of the city center. But I have to say Ireland reminds me of New Zealand. So a lot of the landscape reminds me of the country where I live. I still really enjoyed Ireland, but I think Edinburgh, there's just something special about it. Both Masha and I are like, wow, we walk out the door and there's just history, history, history. Not saying that Ireland didn't have history, it does, especially the Viking medieval history. But here in Edinburgh, it's just pretty. And I love the new town and the old town across the bridge. It's just absolutely gorgeous. We thoroughly enjoyed our walking tour. And I gotta say, I think I'm gonna come back to Edinburgh one day for sure and actually give a lot more days here. At least 3 to 4 days just to explore this city, because we don't even have time to see the castle. We don't really have time to do any other trips or tours or anything. So that's just the way this trip goes. This is just our quick introduction, and I'm so glad that we're here. While I'm sad that our European trip is coming to an end, I'm actually looking forward to going back to Canada, staying with mom, resting, relaxing, and then I can go home from there. But it's just been absolutely outstanding. But then tomorrow, I'm excited to share with you the Harry Couture experience for the next few days. So I'll see you guys in the next update. Bye!